What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to recap my short on BYFC. It was one of my favorite short patterns. Very, very simple. You short off a major resistance level from the daily chart. So it's basically the opposite of what I do for my longs. I buy at support, I sell at resistance. In this case, I'm shorting at resistance and covering at support. Very, very simple trading. I go to the daily chart. I look at a key level of resistance, which happened to be this 4.4-ish area. I traded about 40 million volume. Based on my volume projections for the day, I gathered that this would not overwhelm this resistance level. So my plan on this trade was to start shorting around the $4 level, adding up until 4.4, with 4.4 being my ultimate risk. So with my averages in mind, the fact that I'd be averaging into this position at 2% intervals, I was risking about 7%, and my profit target was about 25%. So much greater than a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio, very profitable trade. Unfortunately, the stock was pretty weak. I was hoping I would get more of my shorts filled. However, I only got 1/4 of my position filled at this $4 level, and the next add at 4.1 I could not get just because the stock was very, very weak. And from there, I didn't chase into weakness. It's important that even though you only get 1/4 of that position filled, you don't want to be adding closer to this, lower than your set levels, because if this reverses and comes up and you have an average down here, you're going to have to, your risk is going to go just completely out the window if you're going to have to risk, really truly risk this level, which is the true level at which resistance is broken. So I waited patiently. I was just waiting until the next support level to be tested, and that support from the daily chart, as you can see, was this 310, 315 level that actually broke down quite rapidly, and I started covered a little bit early, but I still managed to make about 25% off of this trade. Only 1/4 of my size. That's unfortunate. I wish I could have gotten more size in. Would have been a very, very big, nice profit. But nevertheless, still made 25% gain on this. Quite happy with the trade. Very, very simple strategy that you can implement if you want to start shorting penny stocks. Just keep it simple and stay disciplined with your entries and exits, and respect the risk to reward. And you can be very successful shorting penny stocks. I find that the risk to reward on shorting these stocks is much better than the long setups. You just have to be much more patient and be very, very deliberate about cutting your losses when resistance is broken. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Please drop a like if you enjoyed, and subscribe to the channel for more shorting videos. Thank you guys for watching.